Although apples are one of the most exotic fruits and are packed with nutrients, few people are aware that you can boil apples, and reap a whole new range of health benefits from it. Boiled apples are very good for flushing out toxins and unhealthy fat from the body and aiding indigestion. Pectin, a significant component found in apples, reduces the absorption of fat by cells. Even the benefits are greater than consuming it directly. Boiled apples have more nutrients than regular apples. It contains phosphorus, calcium, carbohydrates, protein, water, iron, vitamin A, B, C and vitamin K. Health benefits of boiled apple. 1. Maintain sugar levels in diabetics. Boiled apples can be used to prevent diabetes and can reduce high sugar levels. Boil green apples or red apples with a sour taste. Consume it on a daily basis. 2. Dealing with asthma. Do you have an asthma history? This disease will be very painful, especially if the sufferer has problems breathing. If your asthma flares up frequently, you can prevent it by eating 2 to 3 boiled apples every morning. 3. Prevent premature aging. If you want to always look young, consume boiled apples regularly every morning after breakfast. This is due to the fact that boiling apples produce natural polyphenols, which are high in antioxidants. 4. Treat the cough. Although cough is a relatively mild ailment with simple treatment, when it strikes, it will undoubtedly disrupt daily activities. You can eat boiling apples to ease cough without taking chemical medications. Boiling apples should be consumed in the morning and before going to bed. 5. Whiten your teeth. The acid content of red apples or green apples can help to clean and whiten teeth. The acid content will disintegrate dirt and tooth crust. 6. Getting rid of diarrhea. Diarrhea can make the sufferer become weak because a lot of body fluids come out during bowel movements. Boiled apples can treat diarrhea naturally. Boil it with a few slices of ginger. Ginger can give a warm feeling in the stomach, and the content in boiled apples will relieve your diarrhea. 7. Prevent cataracts. There is vitamin A content in boiled apples. Vitamin A is a vitamin that is very important for eye health. By regularly consuming boiled apples every morning before breakfast, you will maintain eye health including cataracts. 8. Prevent Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a neurological ailment that mostly affects the elderly, though it is increasingly affecting young individuals. To prevent this, consume boiled apples regularly every day. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.